how much do you realize that you are an animal? I'm I'm holding this question because I've been in spaces to practice feeling and reconnect with the feelings. And one of the things that I notice is that people have a really hard time allowing their bodies to make sounds, movements, and even facial expressions. And without those, it's not possible to feel because feelings are noisy. If someone is scared, there are a lot of sounds coming up, and your face twitches, your body shakes. So, if someone is not okay with doing sounds and giving themselves time to be with the sounds and this more untamed, wild expression of the physical body, then it's not possible to feel and to connect with the feelings. And also, like, it takes time. Feelings take time to unfold. And the movement that usually happens is that people try to fill the space with words to not be in the discomfort of silence, because usually people are scared of being in silence, so they tend to jump to fill the space and the silence with words so that the space is controlled. But then you're not connected with what is really happening inside of you, and you are not allowing that to come forth. So I just had a Harchim session, and it became so clear that it's really important when you're practicing how to feel, to start with allowing yourself to have time and space to make sounds and movements. And at first, it may feel weird because people have a lot of rules and fears about how they should look like, how it should sound like. But if you strip all of that apart, all those things that are covering your heart and your expression, then your physical body and your heart can become more present and be with what is close to reality. And there's so much information in feelings. And also, if you're not giving yourself time to feel your feelings and to be moved by them, it gets stuck in you. And then where is all that energy going to? So I'm like bringing a proposal of an experiment for this week, is to choose an activity, a daily activity like eating, for example, and notice how much you hold back the sounds that naturally come when you are eating. Do you allow yourself to feel the pleasure of tasting food? When you pick a strawberry and you take it to your mouth and you bite it, do you allow yourself to, this is so good? So choose something this week and start reconnecting with the sounds of your body, especially the ones of pleasure and enjoyment, and see what happens. Become more animal.